What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Trucking by Night. So today we're going to dive into a question that a lot of people keep asking me, a lot of the guys that are coming out of training, getting into their trucks, even guys at other companies. Today we're going to talk about how to use the bunk heater in an International ProStar or an International LT. So let's dive right in, guys. Alright guys, so the first thing you need to do to be able to use the bunk heater is you need to make sure that the truck is off with the key in the off position. Come back here, you're going to have this panel on the back wall of your International ProStar or your International LT. It's the same for all Internationals. This here, your Espar, that is going to be your bunk heater. As you see right now, it's got two lights, the green light, the red light. It says heater stopped and then the temperature set. Right now it's set to 72 degrees. All you do, it's really short and simple, guys. With the truck off, push the power button. The green light will come on. Let me see if we can get it to focus here. And it says heater enabled, temperature set to 72 degrees, and it's going to run for 10 hours. All you do, change the temperature. 65, 64, whatever you want it at. Leave it alone. It's going to set. It'll take roughly 5 minutes for the bunk heater to kick on, and then you'll start to feel it below your bunk. There's going to be a heater setup, and you'll feel the air coming out of there. Like I said, as you see up here in this corner, it's going to run for 10 hours. Once that's up, the heater's going to shut off. If you're on a long period of time, such as a 34-hour reset, all you have to do, just turn it back on, you're good to go. So that's how you use the Espar bunk heater in an International ProStar or International LT. As always, I appreciate you guys watching my videos. Do hit the subscribe button down below, hit the bell so you get notified when I put out new videos. As always, stay safe.